Oh, it's the best part, in my opinion. Some people do not agree, but you made an excellent point. Open-ended questions are only as good as the responses that you get. So, and with surveys, you do not have the option to follow up. If your respondent leaves a sentence, that's it, that's all you get. You cannot keep nudging them to tell you more. So that's another drawback of running a survey without following it up with interviews. But assuming you got the qualitative data that you wanted, either out of surveys or out of interviews, the next step is to make sense of it. So the first step that I take is to just sort it in a spreadsheet. If you don't like spreadsheets, by all means, don't use them. There are products out there that will help you tag your, for example, interview responses. So a tool I used was UserBid, but there are many others. So the whole point is that you can categorize the responses based on what you're hearing. If you're looking for pain points, then you need to start breaking down different types of pain points across a spreadsheet or across whatever tagging system you use. If you're looking for outcomes, again, you're sorting through all of the types of outcomes you get. If you have closed questions, for you, there is no sorting. You just need to see the results and then use them. But with customer interviews, there's always something new and different. So I would suggest also having a separate tab in your spreadsheet to document things that you didn't expect to hear, but that came back nevertheless. And now the next step, once you have all of this sorted out, is to start answering your initial question. So maybe you are trying to figure out what your messaging should be. That's a high-level question, so you don't need to pull out voice of customer quotes. You're just figuring out what it is you should be saying on a very high level. If you are working on improving your web pages, or if you're looking for ideas for your paid traffic funnels, this is when you finally, in my case, get to go very deep into what it is that people are saying specifically. How are they describing their problems? How are they describing your solution? What are the feelings that they're feeling once they are finally solving that problem with your product? And most importantly, how do they get from I have a problem to this product has solved it for me? Oh, yeah. A shortcut. There is one shortcut. You could use word clouds. I don't. I prefer to just break things down and then count mentions by a topic or by a specific pain point. But you could just do this quick and dirty. I dump everything into a word cloud tool and then I get back the most frequently repeated phrases back.